To another video, guys. If you're new here, my name is Abhishek. I'm a graduate engineer working in Leicester, and in this video, yeah, you guessed it, I'll be unboxing my new iMac 2020 27-inch. And so yeah, without any further ado, let's get into it. Seems pretty decent. I mean, like, the front cover looks so good. I mean, this again is my first Mac, so I'm kind of excited. Here we go. Okay, so we got your standard keyboard and mouse. Looks pretty dope. I'm not sure. Okay, well, let's just take it out and then I'll probably show you guys. Individually. Alright. And then you got your power cable. Okay. Ta-da! So the individual components. Now you have the standard keyboard that's available in the box. You got your magic mouse. Now I don't think I'm gonna be using this. I think I'll probably upgrade this to the Logitech because I don't like the charging port being suggested here. And it kind of feels. Yeah, I mean, I like it, but I think I'm gonna upgrade to Logic 2. Sorry, Logic mouse. You have your USB to attach to your keyboard. You also get microfiber cloth to clean your screen. And what? No stickers? Oh no, okay, yeah, stickers. Yeah, I got stickers as well. It wouldn't be Apple if there weren't any stickers. Sorry about that. But yeah, and then you got your monitor. So let's do this. Right. Let's take the plastic off. I feel like it'd be much easier if I place it on the desk. Right? Yeah, switching to a desk. 1, 2, 3. I'll also do a quick overview of the specs I got. And after sort of contemplating on it for a while, I found that one of the specs I got, I wish I had gone for something different. It's the Ethernet port. But yeah, that's fine. So I got a 1 gigabyte Ethernet port, and I should have gone for the 10, but that's fine. And so the design, right? Okay. So it's got the standard design that you've guys seen in the previous iMac releases. I was kind of hoping for more structured, more square-based kind of design to it, being the last of its kind, because Apple will be getting onto its Apple chip, so I'm assuming they would want to restructure the iMac to a new set of designs based on that. I didn't opt in for the nanotexture display, primarily because I don't think I would need it. I think the nanotexture display would have provided that smooth matte display. Being my first iMac, I think I'm kind of stoked with what I've got, and I think there's an additional charge for the nanotexture display. I think it's like around £500 or something. So yeah, let's turn this bad boy around and see what. Looking at the back of it, you've got a headphone jack, SD cards, 4 USB-A ports. You got 2 Thunderbolt C ports and a 1 gigabyte of Ethernet. I wish I kind of regret not getting the 10 gigabyte. It was just an additional £100 charge, but I think if I had to sort of return it and get it back, I'll probably change one of those configurations. Just above the power port, you have the option to upgrade RAM. So I've got the standard 8 gigabyte RAM. That was under the specs, because I felt Apple was just overcharging for the RAM itself. And they can go up to 128 gigabytes. So yeah, I think down the line I'll probably be upgrading the RAM to, I don't know, 40 gigs. So yeah, you can access this compartment just by pressing this. And it should open. I'm using my nails, but it's better to use a pen or pencil or something like that. So I'm just gonna use this broken stick. There you go. There's the bad boy. And there's the RAM. Pretty cool, right? So, yeah. Right. So it's all set up now. I think one of the things I wanted to share that with Apple coming out with its own Apple chip, this could be a dying breed of Macs with only the Intel processors. So it's pretty cool to get a hand on the last of its kind, I guess. Apple's brought out 2 upgrades, one being the upgrade to the webcam. It's now 1080p, which I feel it's a class act, because all my Zoom conversations or Skype conversation or any meeting that I'll have now will be of such high quality, I guess. I think one of the things we'll test it out, see how it looks. The second upgrade that's been sort of highlighted is the upgrade to the new studio microphones. So we'll test that out as well, just to give you guys an overview or have a demonstration as to what it sounds like. I also went with the Pro Education bundle. So I've got the Final Cut Pro. I think I've got all of them. So I'll go through the demonstration and show you guys what my specs are and what I got and what was the final cost I ended up paying. So yeah, let's do this. So I'm currently on Spotify. I've got a song up. Let's test it out and see what the sound quality is like, the new sound base is like. I like it. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Doesn't make sense, but it makes
So that was at the full volume. Yeah, I kind of like that. It's pretty dope. I think the second reason I wanted to highlight that the upgrade is such a useful thing, because as I'm making content and if I needed to shoot myself through the QuickTime player, this one sound quality would be ace. But yeah, so let's test out the second upgrade, which is the webcam, and switching to 1, 2, 3, go.
Which is the upgrade to the webcam. I'm currently recording with my webcam through the QuickTime player. I think one of the good things about this is the adjustment of the light. If I'm around, yeah, the adjustment of the light is quite
So let's do the configuration work that I chose when I was getting my iMac. So I went with the base model, 27 inch.
again, I went for the standard class, 8 gig of RAM. I knew I can upgrade the RAM to up to 30-40 gigs without having to pay £540, which seems excessive. I went with the gigabit Ethernet, and then again mouse to mouse 2, and then yeah, provincial education plan. So if I continue, yeah, I went for the AirPod with charging case, and then add to that. Bag. And yeah, that was my total. It was pretty simple. If you guys are looking to get your own configuration, I would recommend getting the 10 gigabyte Ethernet. I would also probably recommend getting the mouse strap. I think it'd be a good addition just for like $45. But yeah, that's the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. It was somewhat of my second try in trying to do a tech unboxing. I liked it. I don't know, weirdly enough, please consider subscribing, sharing, liking this video. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.